In this video, we'll talk about 5 simple yet powerful weight loss tips that people often overlook. Tip number 1. Understand your body's signals. Most of us don't actually know whether we are hungry or just thirsty. We misinterpret our body's signals and start munching on unhealthy food. Let's see what research says. Research stated that thirst is a stronger and more constant signal from the body compared to hunger. Hunger signals are weaker and episodic because your body knows that. In response to those signals, even if you drink a lot of water that would not be harmful, your body just excretes the extra. But eating too much would result in weight gain. This research backs it up by explaining why people make that mistake. Since the body doesn't always clearly differentiate the two cues, people often eat when they should just drink water. So, don't confuse thirst with hunger. Drink a glass of water before snacking. It can help avoiding unnecessary calorie intake. Tip number 2. Listen to fullness cue while eating. Your body tells you when it's full, but only if you listen. Many people overeat because they eat too fast or while distracted. A research published in Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics stated that slow eating helps reduce calorie intake and hunger in normal weight participants, while obese individuals experience lower hunger associated with slow eating. Everyone benefited from lower energy density and slower eating speed. This is the Hungerfulness scale, rated from 0 to 10. It helps you assess how full you feel. Ideally, you should stop eating when you begin to feel comfortably full, or when fullness starts to emerge. There's a Japanese phrase, hara hachibu, that means eating until you're about 80% full. It's based on mindful eating, portion control, and eating without distraction, helping prevent overeating and supporting long-term weight management. Tip number 3. Eat enough protein in every meal. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders, it's equally important for you. Clinical trials found that high-protein diet is associated with weight loss while preserving your lean body mass. Study also reported the positive effects of protein on weight loss whether people were eating fewer calories or eating a normal amount of calories. The mechanism behind the association between high-protein diet and weight loss involves increase in satiety and energy expenditure. A high-protein diet boosts satiety by lowering hunger hormones, raising fullness hormones, and increasing diet-induced thermogenesis. So, basically protein fills you up, keeps cravings away, and protects and builds your muscles. Tip number 4 is, watch the type of carbs you're consuming. Instead of cutting carbs completely, choose the right kind. For example, if you like having flatbread, mix 1 part pearl millet flour with 2 parts regular whole wheat flour. This will increase the fiber content of the flatbread and decrease its glycemic index. Similarly, replace your white bread with oatmeal for breakfast. It will provide you not just with fiber but a range of essential nutrients. Lastly, since rice is everyone's favorite, so instead of a large quantity on your plate, swap it with a healthy plate containing lots of veggies, a good amount of protein, and rice filling just a quarter. A study conducted to analyze the reason whole grains are associated with weight loss, and they found that its fiber slows digestion, boosts fullness, and lowers calorie intake. With this, polyphenols in WG stimulate fat burning by modulating fat cell signal. Last, and the golden rule of weight loss, create a calorie deficit. To lose weight, your body must burn more calories than it takes in. This is called a calorie deficit, whether it's through eating slightly less, moving more, or a combination of both. Creating a modest calorie deficit consistently over time leads to fat loss. Hope you have learned something new in this video, so make sure to like, share and subscribe.